Hello students, welcome to Prime Maths with A sir, Anwar Hussain Sheikh sir. Maths easy solution with Anwar Hussain Sheikh sir. So in this class you will get all types of solution like MCQ, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. Any boards like CBSC, Sheva, MBOS, from any other state boards also, you will get all types of solution. So from this class, we are going to start grade 10 syllabus from first chapter, that is number systems. From day by day, one by one, you will get all types of exercise, all types of solutions from chapter wise. So let's start first chapter, number systems. You see in class 10 standards, we have first chapter name is called real numbers. Real numbers. So before going to start this real numbers, this number come from which parts? Let's introduce that part first. Number, you see, number are divided into two parts. One is called rational number, real number. One is called imaginary number. Imaginary number. So from real number we have a rational number and we have irrational number. Irrational number. So from rational number again we have two parts. One is called fraction. One is called integer. Integer. So from integer we are going to start from here actually. Integer are two types. One is called positive integer. Positive. One is called negative integer. Negative integer. So positive integer we have three types of definition we can say. Natural number, counting number, and whole number also we can say as whole number just including with 0. So let's start from here. The name of the chapter is called real number. Real number is here. So from here we are going to start. Real number are two types. One is called irrational, one is called rational. So after this category, classification, we are going to start from rational number and irrational number. After that, this one by one we are going to define. So let's see. Okay, so you see real number. The definition of real number, you must know that the set of positive and negative number is called real number. Example, 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, so and so. It means plus 1 also is real number, minus 1 also is real number, plus 2 also real number, minus 2 also real number. In that way, these are the examples of real numbers. Now you see, after that, after real number we have rational number. Rational numbers are, you see, the real number, it means from here, which is in the form of a by b, semicolon, b is not equal to 0, means b cannot be 0, and a and b are integers. Integer means it may be positive, may be negative, but it cannot be 0. So those are called rational number. Example 1 like 2 by 3, 4 by 5, so and so. As you see, 1 I have given here because 1 is considered 1 by 1. Sometimes the denominator will be 1, it will not be written. So remember that. Next, irrational number. The real number which is not rational is called irrational number. So here I write real number. Real number when I write, you have to remember this one only. From here, which one we write here, you see, which one we write here rational, that will not be irrational. So what will be irrational? As like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, but not root 9. Root 10 also will be irrational number. Because this number, if you want to find the square root, as you have learned in class 8, we cannot get the remainder as 0. That's why these are called irrational number. So clear about this? Next, natural number. From this number you have to remember some points here. I am going to tell you. Natural number. The counting number is called natural number. So what are counting numbers? When we start counting small classes, we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So at a time we do not count like 0 or -1, -2 like that. We never count. Those number minus number or 0 it comes after knowing the counting number when you start calculation. It means only the positive number start from 1 is called natural number. And this natural number you have to remember very nicely, because from here maximum number you have to calculate for this chapter, as chapter is called real numbers. So you see now here whole number. Here I have given natural number. Natural number means all is positive number, no negative number here. So natural number including with 0 is called whole number. So these are natural number. Here we will add only 0. So this is called whole number. It means integer. Positive integer is called whole number. So after this, okay, see after this prime number. The natural number who has two factors, comma, and the factors are the number itself and 1 is called prime number. Example: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. If I can take one example from here, you see 2 equal to 2 into 1, 3 equal to 3 into 1, 5 equal to 5 into 1. So all this number has two factors, number itself and 1. This is why this is called prime number. After that, look at the next point, composite number. The natural number who are not prime. It means from the natural number, which one I explained, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that group, which one is prime is here. Which one I do not here except 1, that is called composite number, like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are called composite number. So what is here written here? The natural number who are not prime. Or we can define this number in another way. The natural number who are more than two factors is called composite number. For example, 4. 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 1. Here 3 factors. 6 equal to 2 into 3 into 1. Here also 3 factors. That's why these are called composite number. After this composite number, look next, co-prime number. The pair of natural numbers. Pair means 2. Pair of natural numbers whose common factor is only 1 is called co-prime number. Example: 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. If we come for this one, 2 equal to 2 into 1, 3 equal to 3 into 1. So here common factor is 1. That's why between these two number, common factor is only 1. So this is called co-prime number. So from here you have to remember some points. First point is, in prime number, 2 is the only even prime number and 2 is called the smallest prime number. Similarly, here 4 is the smallest composite number. Between 2 and 4 there will be many questions. So what are the difference between smallest composite number to smallest prime number? In that way question will be coming. So after this, in my next class you will get the MCQ relevant with this chapter 1 for class 10.